Creating a cool avatar like this can be a great way to represent yourself online, and AI takes things to a whole new level.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of AI avatar generators, but with a twist. We will not only show you how to create an avatar, but also how to animate it, so you can use it in your videos. These tools use artificial intelligence to craft unique talking avatars based on your preferences or even photos. So whether you need an avatar for social media, gaming, or even a video presentation, there is an AI generator out there for you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first step is to create an avatar. For that, there are many free image generation tools out there. You can use any one of them. In this video, I'll use Freepik. Head over to Freepik. Search for the avatar you want to generate. Let's search for a woman in a formal outfit. Before proceeding, just apply some of the filters like photos, AI images, and free. Click on search. Here, you will get some amazing options to choose from. Select the one you like and click download. Now, it's time to make our avatar talk. For that, search for HeyGen on the browser. Click on the link and you will be redirected to this site. Click on Get Started for free and sign up with your account. Now, this is where all the magic will happen. To create your first video, click on Continue. From the Templates section, choose the one you like. You can even create your own template, but for that, you will need their subscription. So, we will edit the elements from the timeline only. Delete the things that you don't need. Choose the orientation of your video, landscape or portrait. Now, in the avatar section, go to Photo Avatar. Click on Upload and here choose the avatar that you downloaded. Click here and it will be added to your timeline. Adjust the size if you want. Now, go to the script and type your text. Here, by default, this voice is selected, but you can choose from different voices available. Or if you want, you can add your own audio to the timeline by clicking here. From here, you can even add the text to your video and can also choose from different elements. When you are done with the edits, click on Submit. Now, go to the Video tab. Download the avatar video from here.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And that's how you can create some stunning avatars for your project. AI avatar generators are a fun and creative way to express yourself online. With some amazing options available, there is no reason not to give them a try. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.